Hey beauty, it's me, Erica Lene, and welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how we make our lash and brow growth serum. But before we get started with this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And the lashes that I'm wearing today, they are called Chica. They're so pretty. These are my natural lashes. They're so pretty. They're so lightweight. They look natural, period. But let's get started with this video. Okay, so this is my setup right here. First, what I did was clean off my station with just, you know, some disinfecting wipes. And then what we're going to use, we only have 3 ingredients that we use for our serum. So we use coconut oil, we use castor oil, and we also use vitamin E oil. Set this to the side. We have our tubes right here. Make sure you wash them. I do have a video of me sanitizing them. Check that out. So we have measuring tapes. We have measuring cups right here. We have scissors right here just in case something, I don't know. We have a syringe. I sanitize these syringes as well. We have a spatula. We're going to mix with this. We also have gloves. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. And yep, that's about it. So let's get started with making these serums. So you want to put your gloves on. Oh, we also have a bowl to put our ingredients in. Okay. So we have our gloves on. They're a little bit too big, but that's okay. So first what we're going to do, we're going to put the stoppers. These right here are our stoppers right here. Oh, I don't think you can see it. These are our stoppers right here. You can't see them really. But before we get started, I forgot to say, make sure when you sanitizing your tubes and stuff, make sure you count your stuff, because I did it before and I lost some things. So make sure you count. Okay? So all we're going to do, we're going to put the stoppers inside the tubes. Try not to get your gloves stuck like this, okay? These gloves are too big. That's what you do. I'm gonna put all the stoppers inside my tubes. We're going to start off with 1/3 cup coconut oil. And then 1/3 cup of castor oil. And then we're going to do 1/4 cup of vitamin E oil. We're going to see how this looks. Just going to see if it's too thick, because you don't want it too thick. to look like this. Nice and runny. So I didn't put all the vitamin E in. Okay, so now that our concoction is done, we're going to fill these tubes. So all I'm going to do is just gonna fill them with this. I attached a pipette to the syringe because I think it's easier. So this is what they look like. This is how we make our lash and brow serum. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some hot soapy water once again, and I'm going to clean, because as you can see like some oil residue on these tubes. So I'm going to clean these all, and I'm showing you how to do that, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I just have hot water and soap, and that's all you need. So all I'm going to do is make sure these are tight and throw them in. Okay, so we're done with our lash serums, and this is what they look like. Nice and clear. They look so good. So that's how we make our lash serum. I do not know when we're going to launch these serums, but stay tuned. Follow my Instagram, follow my Twitter to be notified when you are able to get your hands on one of these. They are so pretty, easy to make. Only have castor oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me show you before I leave you. Let me show you what else I have on in my store. So I have these Glam and Glow by Lene lash bundle. It comes with lashes, it comes with glue, and it comes with a lash applicator, and it will also come with a spoolie. This is $30. You can pick whatever lash you want. If you want me to show you how I made these are like chip bags. If you want me to show you how to make these, you already know what to do. Comment down below and tell me if you want to do a video about how to make these. Very easy, very cute. Click the link down below to get yourself one. So pretty. And don't forget to get some lashes, lip gloss, and you already know. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.